I'm the best footballer of all time and I hate Messi. I think Messi is shit.
Do you also want to clone someone's voice? In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone anyone's voice, including celebrities like Cristiano Ronaldo, Taylor Swift, Shah Rukh Khan, and many others. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you're going to go to Google and search for DubDub AI. Make sure you select the one with this logo. After that, you will see this interface. Here you will need an account, which is super easy to create. Click at the top right where it says Sign Up. Here you can either create an account using Facebook, Google, or email. I'm going to go with the easier option, which is Google account. After creating an account, you will see this interface. Here there are so many options, which I understand might be overwhelming, but don't worry, we are here to clone some voices. So click where it says Instant Voice Cloning. Here you will need to upload a sample of the voice you want to clone. Make sure the file is over 10 seconds and not over a minute. Then write the name of the voice. My voice is Cristiano Ronaldo, so I'm going to write Cristiano Ronaldo. Then select the language he is speaking. And choose an accent. I'm going to select American. Choose gender. Select age, which is adult. Then choose style. You can choose whatever style you want. I'm going with friendly. Then click on Add to My Voice and wait a little bit. And the voice is ready. Just select it. And type in your text, whatever you want the voice to say. I'm just going to type something simple like, hey, I'm Cristiano Ronaldo and I'm better than Messi, and click the play button. Let's hear it.
Hey, I'm Cristiano Ronaldo and I'm better than Messi.
As you can see, the voice sounded exactly like Cristiano Ronaldo. To download the audio, just click Export and select MP3 for better quality, and it will be downloaded to your phone or computer. I will say go and try it yourself, and if you ran out of credits, just use temp mail.
Hey, this is Cristiano Ronaldo. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my boy channel.